What's up, YouTube? Today we have GameBoy Advance. Motherboard is AGC, CPU 30. So the problem with that was when you try to plug the charging thing and you put a battery in, the flashlight will blink and nothing will happen. If you click the on and plug the power, it will show you on the screen a few seconds of the light with GameBoy logo, and then it will shut down. So then I realized I have a problem with fuses. You can see it. You can see it right here, F1. I just took it out and I soldered just piece of wire on it. And other fuse that respond for this error. How you can see it's F2 and I soldered piece of wire. And now after all these operations, if I plug a battery, whole thing turn on and then get the charge. Let's assemble it together. I have all pieces right here. How you can see, working perfectly. And if right now I plug a charger, battery is full charged, battery stays blinking. Thanks for watching, guys. Click like and subscribe.